Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to add your Xbox account with your or link your Ubisoft account with your Xbox account, then this video is for you. First, you have to open your browser and search for Ubisoft and go to the Ubisoft this website. So when you are on a website, the Ubisoft website, you will be able to log into your account. Here you can see it is showing the account icon here at the top right corner. Now you can actually able to log into your account using Facebook or your Xbox account also, Twitch or PlayStation. So here you can see I'm going to on this create here we are going to create an account. So I'm going to create a new account on Ubisoft right now. So simply click on create an account. Now here it will ask for the date and month here, so I'm going to add the date and the month and the year, date of birth. Simply click on continue. Now when you are done, you have to add all of this information like your email address, confirm the email address, password and Ubisoft username that you want to display on your account. So I'm going to fill up this and create. Then after filling all of this, simply click on create account. So when you are on your account, you can find your account information here. Simply click on it. So when you are on your account information section, scroll down and you can find linked account option where you will able to link your Xbox account. Simply click on it, link button here. Now here you can find the instruction that you have to follow to link your Xbox account. So simply click on continue. Now it will pop up another window where you will be able to integrate or associate with your Xbox account and Ubisoft account. So simply click on accept all the terms and conditions here. Now from here you have to link you, so you have to choose your account and simply click on continue. If it's not your account, you can change it anytime you want. So simply click on continue, and here you can see it has just link and the account name from here you can see. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.